ஏப்பா ஒரு தடவை சொல்லு.
போடாங்க.
அதேதான். ஐயோ.
Mr. Bruce Lee, you are under arrest. For killing Singamuthu MP, I am arresting you right now. What, sir? You asked me to come immediately.
I think you know who is Bruce Lee. Police arrested him, now he is in station. I know you are very sincere to me. Bruce Lee should not allow you back.
No, the station you're mentioning, Bruce Lee is not there.
No, ma'am, he's still there.
Record alone says he's there, but he's not there. Where have you kept him?
You're going out of the rules, Mr. Commissioner. I can take action on you with the help of CM also. I will go legally. That's why I have given Bruce Lee's name in court as habeas corpus. Do you even know what is habeas corpus? Whomsoever name we have given in the court, that concerned person should be surrendered in the court by police in 24 hours. You remember that.
Okay. Where have you hidden the daughter of Ishwara Pandya? Tell me, man. You're not going to say, huh? Then I'll have to kill you. Hey! Stop it, man! Bruce Lee needs to be compulsorily presented to court tomorrow, or else we all will be in trouble.
Fifteen days condition bail approved for Bruce Lee regarding appeal of habeas corpus. So, court approved.
Hello.
Nothing to worry. It is just the giddiness due to tiredness. As I checked now, it seems like a baby is underweight. 1 or 2 weeks, the baby must be in the incubator. So, I suggest you to keep the delivery in Chennai.
Ganga.
I will make all arrangements to go to Chennai.
What do you say? He is bringing my daughter for delivery? He should not come here. He should not start from Kanyakumari tomorrow. It is not the birth or the death of the child. You can't understand. Ishwara Pandian, MA, LLB, MP. It's all about my victory or defeat on my prestige. Day after tomorrow, both the sunrise and the sunset, only one should alive to see. Neither me nor the Bruce Lee.
Be careful.
கன்னியாகுமரி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் இன்னும் சில நிமிடங்களில் முதலாவது பிளாட்பாரத்திலிருந்து புறப்பட தயாராக உள்ளது. Your attention please. Train number 6122 Kanyakumari Express bound Chennai.
Shit. He's made a fool out of me.
Bruce Lee name is here in the chart.
Hey, if his name is in the chart, then he should be somewhere here. Go search for him. This fellow is cheating this Ash condition itself.
Sir,
Huh?
is this
Hey, move. Hey, what happened? Did you get him?
No. We have searched everywhere.
Did you check in the toilet or
Yes,
what?
we have seen. He is
Go,
not there.
go, search everywhere. Hey, where is Bruce Lee, man?
I don't know.
Don't you know?
Bruce Lee, don't go.
Where is Bruce Lee, man?
Don't know.
Don't you know?
We will have to take Priya to Chennai safely. That is most important. Be calm.
Hey, don't leave. Search for him.
Sir, he is not here elsewhere.
If he has come inside here, he cannot go out from here. Here, he is somewhere here only. Just search, man.
No, Bruce Lee, no. Whatever happened, don't come out.
Hey, don't leave them. Catch them, man. Hi, Hey! Shit! Hey, he should not escape. Hey, start our vehicles.
Madam, the train has left. All our relatives have gone.
Hello,
Hey, tell me, Ash Ganesha.
Bruce Lee has escaped in the goods train. We are following him right now. Please come immediately. Make it fast. Come on, start the vehicle. Hey, the train should not leave this place. Kill the driver first. Hey, Bruce Lee, I will not leave you. Nor will I leave anyone that is traveling with you. Before this ash leaves my forehead, I am going to kill every one of you. Come on, man. Open it, man. Out of the 5 of them, whoever you see, just kill them. Hey, come on, get it, get it. Come on, careful. Just poke there and see. Hey, stop it. Hey, they are here only. Search properly. They have left that place and gone somewhere else. Search everywhere properly. Huh?
What happened? Bruce Lee? Wait, please,
Come on, go quick.
Hey, you said that the child will not born
No,
in this world, right?
no.
Now
Don't
he's
kill
here.
me.
Now he's here. My brother is back. He's with me now. He's back now. Now you're not
No,
going to
please.
live your life.
No.
I will finish you.
Okay, Bruce Lee. Rajappa Woodshop 14s.
Okay. Hi, Guna.
Hey, you're back from school.
Where? Check him. Check him. Check him. Check him. Ah, exactly like his father. He's also going to become a doctor, I guess. He's proved it, man. He's proved it, man.